Hello everyone, my name is Ankit. Today we are going to make program to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. We are taking a variable C that is for temperature in Celsius equal to its value we are taking from user. So input, in the bracket we are passing a message. Enter temperature in Celsius. Whatever input we take in Python, that is in the form of string. We are typecasting it to integer. So int everything into bracket. Whatever input we will take, that will be converted to integer and stored to C. This is temperature in Celsius that we are taking from user. Next variable is F. It is for temperature in Fahrenheit. Equal to, we are applying the formula for converting temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And that is C multiply with 9 divide by 5 plus 32. Now we are printing the temperature in Fahrenheit. Print, in the bracket we are passing a message. Temperature in Fahrenheit. Concatenating using comma with F. Now running the program, it is asking enter temperature in Celsius. Let's say 100 degrees Celsius. Enter temperature in Fahrenheit 212. When we run the code, one variable C is created. Message is shown to user, enter temperature in Celsius. User entered 100. This 100 is converted to integer and stored into C. In the next line, one variable F is created. Here the formula, in the bracket, C, which is 100, multiply with 9 divide by 5, bracket close, plus 32. This whole is equal to 212. And this result is stored into variable F. Next line, print. So printing on the screen, temperature in Fahrenheit. From variable F, it is 212. So by this program, we have converted temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. That's all for today. Thank you.